Full face with just lipstick. I think I can do this really well. First, I'm gonna conceal. This is the lightest shade that I found. I actually feel like this is gonna be really good. I did this blend in so well. For contour, I found these two brown shades. I think I'm gonna go with this Kat Von D. I'm gonna apply it on my forehead and then on my cheek. Let's see if I can do the nose. Oh my god, honestly. This applicator is so easy, you guys. Oh my god, obsessed. It's blending in so well. The brush wasn't working, so I had to go back to the Beauty Blender because it just kind of blends faster. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in the nose. Okay, but like I feel like this looks really good. Like cute little button nose. Yeah, no. For blush, I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two shades. Okay, I'm gonna do like a little bit of that. And then just add this on top. It is blending in so well so far, you guys. Why does this look really good? Okay, I'm thinking this on my eyes. Oh my goodness, yes. How am I gonna place this though? I'm just gonna like try and swipe that on. I cannot believe I got that to work. For brows, I'm just gonna have to go back with this Fenty because I couldn't find anything darker. I feel like it's way too light. Okay, I feel like it doesn't look that bad, but and then I'm just gonna add my lipstick. What do you guys think? I feel like I did a pretty good job. Seriously, I would walk out like this and like go grocery shopping.